Greetings and welcome to my channel. Before we begin, please go ahead and click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. 10 facts you need to know about baby kicking during pregnancy. Feeling the first kick of the baby against your belly is the most beautiful feeling, isn't it? And the mothers are pretty excited about this particular time of their pregnancy. These kicks also help the parents connect with the child before it is even born. But most people don't really know about baby kicking other than the fact that it is just their baby kicking. This is why we are here with the 10 most interesting facts about baby kicking that you must know. Watch this video till the very end to get your mind blown. Kicking increases on the side. You might have noticed that you feel more kicks of your baby when you're trying to sleep on your side. It could get a little annoying after a while as it affects your sleep, obviously, but you should also know that when you are lying on your side, the blood supply increases. So the movements of your baby also increase because of the blood supply, which is a healthy thing. When the mothers are lying on their backs, the babies don't move much other than a few kicks here and there. But when they're on the side, the babies become particularly active and sporty. Kicking means health. The doctors say that if your baby is kicking and moving inside your womb, it means he is healthy. So these movements are basically an indication of healthier growth, and they tend to increase during the third trimester. So your baby's kicking means he is growing perfectly. Kicks could be felt from the 9th week. When most people hear about baby kicking, they imagine the third trimester, but you should know that a mother could feel her baby kicking throughout the pregnancy, and it usually starts as early as the 9th week. You can even feel the baby's movements in the 7th week too. Kicking reduces in the third trimester. At times, you might experience that your baby is not kicking as much as it used to do, which is very normal. Your baby is just in the growing phase, and babies also take rest in the womb. Also, in the third trimester, your baby has grown quite a lot, so moving and kicking around in your womb becomes a little difficult for him. The kicking indicates behavior. When your baby is kicking in the womb, it might just be exhibiting his behavioral patterns. Some babies do a lot of kicking, while some are a little laid back. Doctors say that the behavior of your fetus inside the womb has a deeper effect on how your child is going to behave once it's born. Low number of kicks indicate distress. If you have been keeping count of your baby's kicks, it is great because, after 24 weeks of pregnancy, your baby needs to at least kick 10 times in 2 hours. If the rate of kicking is any lower than that, it would simply mean that your baby is in distress. The baby reacts to external conditions. If you think your baby does not feel or know anything, then you might be mistaken because they actually do. Your baby also reacts to external stimuli, like when you eat food. They start kicking, and so on. Or they also kick in response to any external high-pitched sound. Number of normal kicks. In the earlier days of your pregnancy, the number of kicks could be very low. So 15 to 20 kicks per day on average are the ideal number, and most people experience the same number of kicks. Reason for baby movement. Babies usually move in the womb to stretch themselves out a bit or as a result of stimuli. In most cases, the most common reasons for baby movements are eating food, listening to songs in high volume, and even being in places with direct light. Kicking could be painful. What most people do not accept is that baby kicking could be very painful at times. The pain is particularly severe when the mother is in her third trimester and the baby is pushing on her ribs or abdomen. It gets pretty intense for real.